Video I'm showing you how you can deactivate your messenger account. So to deactivate your messenger account, you need to firstly deactivate your Facebook app account, and then you can deactivate your messenger account. So firstly you have to open your Facebook app and then click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. After that, scroll down and then click on the settings and privacy, and then click on the settings. And when you are here, you have to scroll down and you have to find you have to firstly click on the personal and account information, and here now you can find account ownership and control option in the most bottom. Click on this, and when you are here you have to click on the deactivation and deletion. Click on this, and after that you have to choose deactivate your account, and if you deactivate your accounts, your name and photos will be removed, and you can reactivate your account anytime when you log in. So you click on the continue to account deactivation in the most bottom. After that you have to enter your password, so entering the password and then click on the continue button, and after that you have to enter your password and then click on the continue button. And when you click on the continue button, now here you have to choose the region. So you can choose any of the region, any of the region, and then you can also enter your region for deactivating, and then click on the continue button in the most bottom. After that you can click on the continue button, and then you have to scroll down and then again click on the deactivate my account. So you can also choose opt out of receiving future notifications from Facebook, and click on the deactivate my account. And so you have to wait until it loads, and now it is here you can see it is saying that the account deactivation is successful. So that's it, that how you can deactivate your Facebook account. And after that, go to your messenger account and then click on your profile picture in the top left corner. You can click on the continue button, keep using messenger, and then scroll down and then click on the legal and policies in the most bottom, and here you can find the deactivate messenger option in the most bottom. Click on this, and it will load for some time, and here you have to enter your password, and then enter your password and then click on the continue button. And now you come to this page, and here you have to tap on the deactivate button in the bottom right corner. You can see this option. Click on the deactivate, and now it is saying that account deactivation is successful. So that's it, that how you can deactivate the messenger account. So that's it, that how you can deactivate your messenger account. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.